Hello everyone, welcome to the GV Ready Automation World. Right, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go and subscribe to it for more exciting videos. And right, we are continuing on 30-day Java programming challenge. Right, if anyone did not watch previous videos, please watch and right, try to solve the programs. Right, this is the day 10, day 10 Java programming challenge. Who are right started, who are joined the live, right? Thanks for them. Right, please, right, we will see what is the date and program. Date and is the remove duplicate characters from a string without using set and hash map. If you use set or hash map, it's very easy one. Right, remove duplicate characters from a string without using set or map. Suppose I have a string is programming, right? I want to print output like unique characters, right? P R O G R is already available. A M, right? I N, right, like this. Unique characters. We have to print the. If it is a duplicate, we have to verify duplicate. Right? Don't print a duplicate. Only unique characters. Unique means that means if it is repeating second time, don't print it. First time we will print. Second time we will not print. Unique means, right? One time we have to print. Second time we don't print. Right? That means we have to print only one time. Okay, that is the programming. I think you got it. Maybe some people will confuse about it. Duplicate means I don't want to print right duplicate character itself, right? But we have to print one time. If it is appearing second time, don't print it. First time is print it. Okay, then whoever joined the live, please start the program. Once it is done, right? Please comment in the comment section. I think more people are watching the video, but I think don't know whether they are right doing the program or not. Please, right, please practice and comment in the comment section so that right everyone get right. They will also motivate to participate in the right in these challenges. Right, please comment your program in the comment section. Right, everyone will know different types of how many ways we can resolve. Everyone will know. Right. Okay, then please start everyone. Right, then I am starting parallelly. Okay, date and challenge. Okay, we'll take main program, and then I will take one string str equal to program. Okay, my string is programming. I will create a one reusable method that static, which will return the string, remove duplicates. Okay, remove duplicates. Remove duplicates. Okay, then now first I will convert to character. Okay, I will convert to character array. Right, then I will iterate one by one. Character int I equal to 0 to I less than chars dot length I plus plus. Right. Then I will take one more loop. Int j equal to 0 to j equal to 0 to j less than I. Right, j less than I. I will explain the logic later. Right, then here I will take a one more thing, string builder, right, to append my unique characters. Okay. Now here we'll verify if chars of I equal to chars of j, right. That means it is already exists. It is already exists. Suppose here I will take a one more thing, boolean is duplicate character. Is duplicate character. Right. Then I will verify as it is a duplicate. Then just to break, I am breaking them. Right. Then after inner for loop, I will verify if it is not duplicate character. Right. First one is not duplicate character. Then I will do sb dot append that chars of it. Right. If it is not duplicate, I will add to the string. Right. Fine. Okay. Then once these two loops are done, return sp dot to string. Right. Convert into string. Okay. Right. Then we'll see what is the output, whether program is working as expected. Right. Just send this one, and then what is the output? Right. I will print both input and output. Okay, fine. We'll print. We'll see whether this program is working correctly. Okay, what we are expecting P. Okay, then R only one time, O one time, G one time. R is already repeated, so it did not print it. A. Then M is repeated already. It's not printing. I, N. Right. G is already available. It's not printing. It's working fine. Right. It's working fine. Now, what is the logic here? Right. Now, what is the logic here? Right. Now, I got a question like, is it work for like this? If I give only a, right, it is working fine. If I give a, b, b, c, c, okay, fine. It is printing ABC only. Right. If I give only a, that is printing a1. Right. It's working fine. Now, what is the logic here? Right. Now, what is the logic here? Right. First, what we are doing? We are iterating from the string. We are converted character array. We are taking one by one character. Right. First, we will take a, right. We are sending suppose A, B, C. Okay. We'll take a small input. Then, right. Suppose A duplicate also A, B, A. Right. First, it will take a. Then J will start from 0 less than J less than I. That means, right, I will explain. 0. First iteration, it will only one character, right? J is less than, J means 0. 0, I also 0. 0 less than 0, no. Right, 0 less than 0. Then is duplicate, not duplicate. First character is anyway not duplicate. It will add A to the input. Right, now come to second character. It will take the B. Right, it will take the B. Right, then it will verify. Now I is 1. Right, I is increased to 1. J starts from 0. Right, then it will validate character of 1. I means 1. Right, 1 equal to character of J. 0. J means 0. That means what here logic is, right? See, suppose I have a programming. First P it will take, it will validate with the previous characters. Right, P don't have any previous character. Right, then it will store in the, right, suppose string buffer. Now it will take R, it will validate with the previous character. What is the previous character? P is already? No, it will store. Now O will take it will validate with the previous characters PR. There is no only unique character. Right. In this program, what will happen? It will validate current character with previous characters. Right. Suppose if we take a R, it will validate is R already added, already available in previous character. Right. It is already there. So it will not, what it will happen, it is a duplicate, it will break. Here it will come, right, it is a true, so it will not add. It will go to next character, A. It will verify with the previous characters. Next it will take M. It will validate with the previous character. It is not there, it will add. Again it will take a M. It is already there with the previous character. Then it's a duplicate. Again break it, don't add. Right? Here the logic is it will take the first character and it will validate with the previous character, its previous characters. Right? That is the programming. Right? Whoever participated, thanks for them. Right? Whoever did not get chance, please whenever you get time, please right, see the program and resolve it and paste in the comment section. Right? Whoever you have a different types of logics, right, just paste it. Right? Everyone will learn different logics for this program. Right? Thanks for everyone who participated.